In this video, I show you how to save the Instagram photos and videos to your phone gallery. So if you want to take all the pictures from Instagram and you want the Instagram photos to be saved in your gallery, what you can do is just click on the profile icon at the bottom right. And once we are in the profile, just click on the three lines at the top. Now from the settings, just head over to the section which says archiving and downloading in the Your App and Media section. Just click here. And from here, just make sure that you have enabled this option that save to camera roll. Make sure that save story to gallery, save original photos to gallery, both of these options are enabled. So let's just go to this plus icon right here and click on next. So once we have done all of these settings, just click on the plus icon from the bottom and click on the camera from here. And let's take a photo. Let's say this one is the photo of my keyboard and the cup holder. Let's take it. Click on next. And it's your choice if you want to share it. Let's share it for now. Let's write here camera test. Click OK. Click on share. And now it should be able to save all the pictures that you have taken on Instagram back to your camera roll. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. And also, if you want to learn more about Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one.